We'll take it from here. Okay, simple conversation that you can have, let's say with your brother or your sister or your mother. Ladies, let's start with you. You want to talk to your mother about a guy that you just met, and you are, you have already fallen in love wanting tea or something. So conversation between you and your mother. Ma, mother, there's something I want to tell you. Your mother will respond, my daughter, what would you like to tell me? Means child. My child, what would you like to tell me? You can also interpret it, my daughter, what would you like to tell me? Okay, so that would be your mother's response. So if she responds and says something like that, my child, what do you want to tell me? Gini, what that you want Igwam to tell me. Translated that, and then you will start your own. I know some of you will start blushing. Enwere you don't have to use the enwere otu nwata. Enwere means there is. Otu means one guy that I saw. That's how we say it. Umfuriananya is love. You should now start falling in love with it, so you'll be like okay. This is our mother's discuss with. And my daughter, is he handsome? You can say, your mother can say something like, is he handsome as a man? Woke means a guy. So is he a handsome guy? Okay? So you will respond, hey, don't start blush, shut up. Okay? So mother, he is fine. His face shines like the sun. Onacha means it shines. Onacha, listen, listen very carefully as I'm pronouncing these things. Don't say this any other way. That's my own thing. That's why I pronounce this and I repeat it all the time. Onacha, not onato. When I scream, start making your lips like some crocodile. Don't do that nonsense. Make sure you're speaking it like as I'm saying it. Listen to my pronunciation. Onacha onacha shines like sun. So he shines so bright, he was, making you feel, like your heart is beating. Anyway, so your mother will say, hey, mama, hey, this is your mother's response. I will say it again. Hey, mama. Hey, mama. That means my daughter, my good daughter. You always find. You always find. You always find nwoke marama, a guy that is good looking. You guys, you say, how are you doing? Mama, I'm good. Ma right there is good. Okay, so here is being used in a different way, but it's still the same meaning. Once you know something, ma means good, you know that there's good in there. Okay. Okay, my daughter, you always find men that are good. And then of course yourself you start blushing. If you want to say that you try, you say bali, okay? Say with me. Bali. That's I try. Someone else say, man, you're doing very well in this your business, so you respond in Igbo. One name, my brother or my sister. Bali. I'm trying. Okay? So that's it. I don't want to make this long. I'm trying to have stuff coming every time, It's just that I've been so busy, but I want to make sure that I'm teaching you guys something, okay? So try to support me any way that you can, as sharing the video or whatever. Just so I can be encouraged, because I have a lot of things to teach you guys and I know I can do it. I just need your support and encouragement. Okay? That's it.